My dear friends, welcome to Rajshekhar classes on applied data science with Python. This is lecture number 597. In this lecture, we will try to understand introduction to convolutional neural networks. These are extremely popular form of neural networks. Remember, in the previous couple of chapters, we have learned multi-layer perceptrons. On the other hand, convolutional neural networks often referred to as, these convolutional neural networks often referred to as CNN, isn't it? Sometimes in short they refer to as ConvNETs, isn't it? So either I will use word CNN or ConvNETs. So ConvNETs has been ConvNETs has been specifically designed for visual tasks. They have been designed for visual tasks. So let's look at visual task, isn't it? Basically they're designed for visual tasks. Visual task could be, just try to recall, even in MNIST data set can be thought of very simple. It's a simple visual task. It is very simple visual task here. Given handwritten character, determine what character it is, isn't it? But there are many more complex visual tasks. For example, imagine if I am given picture. Just imagine if I am given picture or an image, and if I am asked, is there any face in it? Is there any face in the image, isn't it? That's the question. Is there any face in an image? Yes. If so, where is the face? That's important. First you should specify, is there any face? If it is there, where is that the face in the image? Similarly, does this face or does this image, let me say, does this image contain a car, isn't it? Does this image contain a tiger, isn't it? Does this image contain a person, isn't it? In this problem, given an image, what you have to do, given an image, you are trying to find what objects exists in the image, isn't it? This is important. Given an image or video, you are trying to find out what objects exists in the image. That area is known as object recognition task. It's a very important task in machine vision, or I can say in computer vision, machine vision, or computer in the area called computer vision. So computer vision or machine vision is basically an area which is the intersection. How can I say? It's an intersection of your computer vision or machine vision is the intersection of machine learning or AI and images or videos, isn't it? And visual tasks in general, so computer vision is intersection of machine learning and AI and images and videos. So one of the most challenging tasks in computer vision in last 50 years, since the time we had reasonably powerful computer, is the task of object recognition. And today we have very good state of art of object recognition systems. If not as good as of human, they are very close to human perception, and most of these developments have happened since 2012. That's important. It's happened since 2012. Of course, there is a research prior to 2012, but most of the really good applications of deep learning to computer vision tasks happened only after 2012. So lot of phenomenal stuff have happened in last 10 years at the intersection of deep learning and computer vision. Of course, some of the core technologies and ConvNETs have been created much earlier than 2012. We will come to that, but the most important thing is, why are we creating new type of neural networks called convolutional neural networks, and why can't we simply use multi-layer perceptrons? I will come to it from a little bit of historical perspective. In 1981, there was a phenomenal Nobel Prize in medicine. In medicine, Nobel Prize given to phenomenal neuroscientists. What is this name? Hubel and Wiesel, isn't it? Neuroscientist Hubel and Wiesel, Nobel Prize was given. This Nobel Prize was given to the fundamental research that they have done since 1950s. They have done a lot of research in 1950s, 60s and 1970s. What they did, they're trying to understand, trying to understand human brain, or try to understand cats, monkeys brain, isn't it? So they have done lots of experiments on cats and monkeys to understand how neuronal system of vision works. They focus lots of their work on visual tasks, isn't it? They focus lots of work on this visual task, lots of their interesting work on visual tasks. So here I have a page. This is I can say it's a Wikipedia page. Just I request all of you to go through this Wikipedia page of David Hubel. I will provide reference link in the description section of this particular video. It is very nice description of the research which they conducted. The research they have conducted is this. There is also a nice video. I will provide link to this video. So what they have done is anyway what they have done, that I will discuss in my next lecture, that is in lecture number 598. By that time, I request all of you to go through this particular Wikipedia page on David Hubel and just say the Hubel and Wiesel experiments greatly expanded. Just I request all of you just read this Wikipedia page so that you will feel very happy. Thank you very much.